Hello friends, how are you? Holi is celebrated with colors and happiness all over India. But did you know that the Oraon community has its own special festival around this time? It's called FAGGU and it's much more than just colors. It's festival of traditions, bravery and new beginnings. FAGGU is celebrated in the month of Phagun, the last month of the Oraon calendar. It makes the farewell to the old year and the beginning of a fresh new year. The festival is all about burning away negativity and welcoming positivity. A special ritual takes place where branches of semal and erindi trees are planted in a spot. Then dried grass and straw are placed on top, and a fire is lit. This fire symbolizes burning away all the bad things from the past year, pain, sorrow, and negativity. After the fire burns down, people apply the ashes on their forehead as a mark of a fresh start. They take a vow to live with new energy and a positive spirit. One of the most exciting parts of FAGGU is FAGGU SENDRA, a ritual of hunting. The young men of the village go into the forest for a traditional hunt.
सेंदेरा कदे भैया करेगा कदे हे माझी माझी भैया यम के माना.
Until they return, the women of the village don't fetch water from the well. When they come back, the women greet them with great respect, wash their feet, and offer them special gifts. This ritual is a symbol of their bravery and strength. There's also an interesting legend behind FAGGU. Long ago, in the Saru hills of Gumla, there was a huge semal tree where two giant vultures, Sono and Rupo, lived. These vultures terrorized the villagers by stealing their farm tools and even snatching small children. The people prayed to God, and in response, a mighty warrior appeared. Armed with a bow and arrow, he reached the tree and fought bravely. He killed the monstrous vultures and even struck down the semal tree to ensure no such threat returned back. In joy and relief, the villagers started celebrating FAGGU, and this tradition has continued for generation to generation.
येंदेर चंदो ये दकोय पेलो कुला लेके नारेगा लागी.
FAGGU is more than just a festival. It's a celebration of new beginnings, unity and courage. It teaches us to leave behind negativity and step into the future with fresh energy. Did you enjoy learning about this amazing festival? If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such stories from tribal traditions. Also comment below, have you ever seen a festival like this before? See you in the next video.